nasty. Watch your head.
My belly.
My belly. My butt.
Get your what?
Pop my butt.
Up your back. Yeah.
That's it. You can copy that.
Watch out, buddy. Put your hands behind your head.
Not yet.
Good. Alright. Put your feet again. Alright, now when I pull you back, you just go back on your heels and then pull your elbows in as much as you can. Hey, what was all that? Cause I heard her really ask. I was like, what was all that?
Oh, God.
That's terrible. Did your back actually pop though?
Yeah, we're done. I got you.
Terrible.